Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Future Scotiabank customers. In this video, we are going to explore the seamless process of creating your Bank of Nova Scotiabank account online in 2024. Whether you are new to banking or looking for a change, stick around and let's get your Scotiabank account set up together. So let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So guys, the first thing is of course to head up to Scotiabank as you can see right here. Go to scotiabank.com and there we go. Now in Scotiabank, as you can see guys, we will have this landing page which has informations about the Scotiabank in general, how to create an account, how to do anything in here. Now for those who think that they are new to Scotiabank online, you can simply click here and activate now. But guys, you have to own an account already so you can actually activate it. And even if you want here to sign in, and as you can see here, when you go to any website and you try to sign in, they will give you here like, have you forgot your password, or if you don't have a password, create an account with us. Well, here in Scotiabank you don't have this option. You can't really create an account through here, but here it is an article which is basically made by them. So open an account, open a checking or savings account online, in person, or by phone. So guys, here as you can see, we have several options. So here we have some questions that they answered us for. For example, do I need to make a minimum deposit? No, it's not necessary to make a minimum deposit to open a personal account. However, you might find it convenient to set up direct deposit for government payments and your paycheck. If you have any questions or would like assistance setting up your direct deposit, please ask their staff. Do I need a payment address? No, having a payment address is not necessary, but we are required by law to ask about your address. We may ask for supporting documents such as a recent utility or tax bill, which includes both your name and address. Do I need to be employed? No, being employed is not a requirement, but we are required by law to ask you about your employment. Can I open an account if I've been bankrupt? Yes, you can. Your credit history does not come into consideration when opening personal deposit account as long as it does not contain derogatory information that was the result of a fraud or other illegal activity. However, if you would like to request overdraft protection, our normal credit policies and procedures will apply. Do you need a photo of ID? It's not required, but it is a good way to help them protect you and get to know you better. What are the acceptable pieces of identifications? Well, here they are. So in order to actually identify yourself, you will need, when you open a personal deposits account with them, you will be required to open or to present identification or documents using one of the following methods. One piece of government issued photo identification from the list of acceptable government issued photo identifications, or documents from two independent reliable sources from the list of acceptable dual process documents identifications. Or if you are unable to present identification or documents following either of the methods above, you will be required to present to us any document from a reliable source that indicates your name and date of birth. This way works only if your identity is also confirmed by a customer who is in good standing with the bank, or someone who is of good standing in the community where you are opening the account. So here is some other informations for individuals who are aged under the age of 12 years old. They ask that a parent or legal guardian open the account for the minor, and that the parent or legal guardian provide original acceptable government issued photo identification or documents from two independent reliable sources to confirm his or her own identity. In addition, if in your capacity as legal guardian for a minor, you ask us to open an account for the minor, you must provide us with a certified copy of the legal document verifying your guardianship. For individuals between 20 or 12 and 15 years of age, they ask that the individual confirm his or her own identity by providing either one piece of original acceptable government issued photo identification or documents from two independent reliable sources, or one document from the minor containing their name and date of birth, and one document from the parent or guardian containing their name and address, or one piece of acceptable identification if your identity is also confirmed by a client in good standing in the community where your branch is located. Also, in addition to the identification document you are required to present to us, you must also disclose to us the following information if it is not available on the pieces of identification that you present: your full name, your home address, your date of birth, and your occupation or type of business if you have any. The acceptable government issued photo identifications, these are the ones. So we have a valid driver license issued in Canada, a valid Canadian passport, a certificate of naturalization in the form of paper document or card. They do not accept commemorative certificates, a Canadian citizenship and card issued prior to 2012, a permanent resident card, a provincial or territorial health insurance card containing a photo if provincial or territorial law permits us to use it for identification purposes. So you can take a look by your own self and read all of these to check them out, and they have a full article about it. And now to actually get your account, well, you simply have to either go to in person, by phone, and online. But online, guys, it is not really doing it online. Eventually I'm just going to check the details of the account, and then eventually you're gonna, for example, like that, click on it and get. As you can see, I clicked on get it, I want it, and then you have to follow some informations, and as you can see, apply as new customer, and then you have to go through all these informations that you have mentioned in the beginning, and after that you have to present either in person or by call in phone, so you can show your face and they can recognize you depending on the photo or the document that you have given to them, so you can verify everything manually, because they don't use here robot or AI to actually manage to detect your identity, but they are using human beings to call you, to make a contact with you, so they can verify your name, your identity that you have given, your address, and everything from the photo till the last document that you have provided. And after that, after like it gets verified by phone or in person, it will be verified immediately, but by phone it will take around 72 hours maximum till you get verified and accepted. And yeah, guys, that was completely it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you guys in the next tutorial.